these succulents on the stands behind the what is the tea room. It's one of my favourite little parts of East Ruston, such a fantastic collection. But this garden itself is one of my favourite bits of the whole gardens. And it's difficult to explain why. Maybe because it just feels so enclosed and safe, and it's just such a wonderful place to imagine yourself gardening. There are some alpines, lots of seats, and then this absolutely spectacular glasshouse at the very end. Some fantastic lilies in pots. They do pots. They're better than anybody, really. And inside this very large conservatory greenhouse, another seating area, just inviting you to sit down and just take in the space. It's all about the plants in here, and there's a massive collection of pelargoniums, geraniums and other plants, including flowering vines on the back wall. Just look at the size of this conservatory. Most of us can only dream of having a space this large to grow beautiful plants like this in. Quite often you'll be joined by the owner's cats or dogs on cooler days, but on our visit it was particularly warm in here. Not too hot for these beauties though. Just look how well they're doing. Absolutely gorgeous. And this one, pelargonium, flowering away. Again, these have usually had their first flush much earlier in the season, but they've kept these flowering beautifully. Don't know the name of this, but it really was an eye catcher with the sun coming through these leaves. I think it's a form of begonia. If you do know, let me know in comments, because I'd love to be able to grow that one myself. And this, I think, hydrangea, absolutely fantastic plantings. And then you come out again into this sheltered courtyard area. Longer views through the archway, and then out the back onto the long views looking towards the lighthouse at Hageborough. What a fantastic planting and a fantastic bit of gardening. Thanks for watching.